Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to remove Bluetooth devices from your iPhone. Maybe you have an old pair of AirPods or Earpods or an old Bluetooth speaker that you no longer need to connect to. Maybe you got rid of it. I'm going to show you how to remove those devices so your iPhone will no longer try to connect to those devices. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take your iPhone and you want to go ahead and unlock it. So you want to press the button on the side, this one right here, go ahead and press it so it'll light up, and then you want to swipe up from the bottom. Now, if you have a passcode, you might have to put that passcode in. If you have Face ID, you just have to hold it in front of your face so it'll unlock. But once it's unlocked, you'll be able to see the home screen. And once you see the home screen, what you want to do is you want to swipe down from the top and you want to type in settings. Now here you'll see I've got the settings app, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Now once you open up the settings, you should see a section right here that says Bluetooth. So you're going to click on that. Now here you can see I have a couple of devices that are connected to my phone. Now all these Bluetooth devices I've had either connected now or previously. So the one I'm going to go ahead and show you how to remove, because it's so easy to add it back in. I put that in my previous video. I'm going to show you how to remove the AirPods. So what we're going to do is I'm going to click on the little eye right beside Jonathan's AirPods. I'm going to click on that eye, and then I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and I'm going to tell it to forget this device. And then it says, well, are you sure you really want to forget this device? And at the moment, I am. I'll go ahead and add them back later. But I'm going to tell it to forget this device. Now, it actually syncs AirPods with your iCloud account. So it says, are you sure you want to remove it? Because it's going to remove it from your iCloud account too. And I do want to remove it. So I'm going to hit forget device. And now if you'll notice, it's completely gone from the list. So all you would have to do, if you wanted to, is you would go back into each item and click the little eye. And then you go to the bottom and just tell it to forget device. And then you'd say, go ahead and forget device. Now, I don't really need to go ahead and remove all these other ones. I'm going to leave those here. But if you did want to remove them, you would just keep going through and you would click on an eye, click forget this device, click forget at the bottom again, and it would be gone from your list. But that's how you would go in to your iPhone and you would remove all your Bluetooth devices that you no longer use or no longer need. So thanks so much. I really hope that helped you out. And please let me know down below if you have any questions. Thanks so much, everybody. I hope that was helpful on how to remove Bluetooth devices from your iPhone settings so that they'll no longer show up and try to connect to them. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you have. And until next time, please do me a favor and like and subscribe, and I'll keep putting up all these great videos. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.